It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you all for 1 week online FTP on healthcare data analytics using artificial intelligence and machine learning, organized by Department of Instrumentation and Control, College of Engineering, Pune. A little bit about Atal Academy. All India Council for Technical Education, through its newly established AICT Training and Learning Academy, have started unique faculty development program in various thrust areas of contemporary technology. Atal Academy successfully conducted 5 days, 900 plus online faculty development programs in 9 thrust areas for the academic year 2020-2021, and 100,000 plus faculty members, research scholars, and postgraduate students have participated. The FDPs were well received throughout the country with participation from various premier institutions, research and development organizations, and industries. Moving further, we also have Professor S.L. Patil amongst us. Professor S.L. Patil is a professor in the Department of Instrumentation and Control Engineering and also Dean Alumni and International Affairs of College of Engineering, Pune. Professor Patil has completed his PhD from IIT Delhi in 2008. His research focuses on power electronics, biomedical, signal processing, and instrumentation. Currently, he is working on portable intensive care units set up for rural health infrastructure project, which is funded by Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, Government of Maharashtra. He is having wide experience of 26 years in teaching and research. Now I request Professor S.L. Patil to brief about the College of Engineering, Pune.
Thank you, Professor Chaskar. Professor Chaskar, coordinator, Dr. Kalla, ma'am, coordinator, Atal program, and all the participants. Welcome to College of Engineering, Pune. College of Engineering, Pune, as you are aware, most of the participants started in 1854 and is third oldest engineering institute in Asia. And CUP has been a long history, long legacy of technical education. CUP has been recognized by the World Bank funded project as the best governed institute in India. CUP is 52nd ranked in NIR ranking. CUP has 11 academic departments and 2 Center of Excellence in Signal Processing and Smart Energy. CUP has 9 undergraduate program in engineering and 27 graduate program. Also, we have 1 postgraduate program in business administration and almost 6 PG 1-year post-diploma program, various disciplines. CUP has, as I already mentioned, has long history, and therefore we have a huge alumni base. So our rich alumni base that has significantly contributed to nation building. Alumni like Bharat Ratna Sir Vishwesharya is our alumni, Professor Thomas Kailath. There are dozens of Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan awardee. So lot of alumni having a lot of laurels, brought a lot of laurels to the institute. Our alumni also working in civil services as IS, IPS officer, dozens of our alumni working in civil services. So lot of strong alumni base. Currently, we have almost 5,000 students on campus, UG, PG plus PhD program, and we have a PhD program in all disciplines of engineering. Also, we have a lot of tie-ups with the foreign institute, such as NTU, Nanyang Technology University, Singapore. Then we have National University of Alabama, USA, Tel Aviv University, Israel. So we have a lot of initiative and tie-ups with the foreign universities. So this is all background of College of Engineering Pune. So and we are also conducting a lot of faculty development program in various departments. I once again welcome all the participants to this 2 weeks Atal program. and I hope you will have a lot of good academic thoughts throughout the program, which is scheduled in next 5 days. With this, I will stop, and I have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Patil, for giving a brief introduction about College of Engineering, Pune. Let me give you brief information about Department of Instrumentation and Control. Department of Instrumentation and Control was established in the year 1965 and celebrated Golden Jubilee year in the academic year 2014-2015. Department has been a trendsetter in initiating industry-oriented and practically relevant programs. The department has always believed in exchange of ideas, sharing of technical know-how, and lays a great emphasis on association between academics and industry. This faculty development program on healthcare data analytics using artificial intelligence and machine learning is an extension of the same. Data analytics is the process of examining raw data sets to find trends, draw conclusions, and identify the potential for improvement. Healthcare data analytics use current and historical data to gain insight, macro and micro, and support decision making at both the patient and business level. The use of health data analytics allows for improvement to patient care, faster and more accurate diagnosis, preventive measures, more personalized treatment, and more informed decision making. At the business level, it can lower costs, simplify internal operations, and many more. The broad objective of FDP are to understand the fundamental of artificial intelligence, algorithms for AI, the basic concept of machine learning algorithm, the various tools used for AI and ML, hardware realization of AI and ML algorithms. Also, to study the healthcare data analytics case studies such as ECG analysis, PCG analysis, and some image analysis such as X-ray and CT. Also, to know the challenges in realizing machine learning algorithm on some kind of hardware, selecting the right kind of hardware components required for system development, understanding system basics and architecture, deploying various algorithm on hardware, and making the system more smarter and smarter. The broad content of FDP are introduction and overview of artificial intelligence introductions, problem solving, intelligent agent, knowledge reasoning, logical agent, inference in first order logic, knowledge representation, uncertain knowledge and reasoning, uncertainty. Probabilistic reasoning over time, making simple decisions, making complex decisions, framework for AI applications and tools, introduction to machine learning, applications of ML, design perspective and issues in machine learning, supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised learning with applications and issues, concept, instances, and attributes, classifications, model representation, accuracy and error measures, confusion matrix, precision, recall, trade-off between both accuracy, clustering, unsupervised technique learning tech, framework for machine learning applications, human-computer interactions, and we'll be also discussing some of the case studies such as ECG, heart rate variability, ECG signal analysis, PCG signal analysis, blood pressure estimation using composite analysis like ECG and PCG. And also, we'll be discussing some other case studies related to image processing. We have received overwhelming response, more than 200 registrations for this program, and we regret not being able to accommodate all the participants. We have faculty participation from more than 15 states, in addition to the faculty and student participation across the breadth of Maharashtra. For this FDP, the resource persons for this program are derived from industries and R&D organizations like Tata Research Design and Development Centers, ITIE Knowledge Solutions, Philips Healthcare Innovation Centers, Enterprise Building Solutions, IIT Delhi, IIIT Delhi, IIT Chennai, etc. Now I request Dr. Kalyani Bole, Kalyani Bole madam, my fellow colleague and co-coordinator of this program, to brief about schedule of the program and guidelines to get the FDP certificate. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Now I'll briefly discuss the schedule. Total we will be having 14 sessions. So we will start our session with session 1, which will be conducted by Dr. Tapan Kumar Gandhi from IIT Delhi. So title for the session will be AI in Healthcare. Session 2 will be on Introduction to ML Paradigm and Applications. That will be conducted by Mr. Sangameshwar Patil. He's from TRDDC Pune. Session 3 will be AI in Medical Image Processing Applications, and this will be conducted by Mr. Sanjeev. He's from ITIE Bangalore. Session 4 will be conducted by me, and I'll be talking on fundamentals of ANN. Session 5 will be conducted on classification models, and this will be conducted by Dr. Sachin Pawar. He is also from TRDDC Pune. Session 6 will be based on ANN hands-on using Python, and this session will be conducted by Mr. Arunjit Chaudhary. Session 7 will be on vision-based diagnosis of neurological disorders, and this session will be conducted by Dr. Koteshwar Rao. He is from IIT Delhi. Session 8 will be based on the case study image analysis using machine learning, and this will be conducted by Dr. J. Somashekar. He is from Gopalan College of Engineering and Management, Whitefield, Bangalore. Session 9 will be based on holistic approach of yoga or stress management, and this will be conducted by Ms. Anuja Iyengar. Session 10 will be on smart healthcare devices by Mr. Akshay Ugle. Session 11 will be based on ML applications of biomedical signal analysis, and this will be conducted by Professor Rajashri Gupta from Kolkata University. Session 12 will be based on basics of neural network by Mr. Jagannath, and he is from Healthcare Innovation Campus, Philips, Pune. Session 13 will be based on a case study, blood pressure estimation using learning method by this session will be conducted by Ms. Nishigandha Agam. She is a PhD scholar at COEP. And session 14 will be on heart rate variability analysis using machine learning. And this session will be conducted by Dr. Uttam Chaskar. So this is overall about the schedule of this faculty development program on healthcare data analytics using AI/ML. Now I want to talk a few rules about the faculty development program. We will conduct the attendance session-wise. Attendance cum feedback form will be shared, and the link for this attendance cum feedback form will be floated in the chat box anytime during the session. 80% attendance is mandatory in order to get the certificate. About the exams, exam will be conducted on last day, that is 17th of December, during the last session. And exam will be for 30 marks. There will be 30 questions for 30 marks. And to qualify for getting certificate, it is compulsory that you should score minimum 60% of the marks in this exam. So we will be sharing the feedback attendance Google form link during each and every session. And so that's it from my side. Enjoy the faculty development program. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. I once again welcome you all and hope your online learning for 5 days turned out to be memorable and enriching one. Thank you all. Now I request all the participants to join the inauguration scheduled organized by AICTE. Madam Kalyani has shared the link for joining that inauguration. Please join that inauguration from 11 to 11:30, and then we'll start our first session at 12:30. All the participants are requested to join the session by 12:15, and we will start with the session by Professor Tapan Kumar Gandhi. He will be delivering a keynote address on AI in healthcare. Right. So with this, we would like to end our introductory session of FDP on healthcare data analytics using AI and ML. Thank you, everyone.